let's get right into it. Today we're going to open up these last two jumbo packs of 93-94 Fleer. I enjoy ripping these old things, even though some of the cards are stuck together, but let's just go right into it. There is one pack is 29 cards. I got these on Card Hobby for, I think, $5 each of these packs. So let's get right into it. They're all stuck together and everything like that. We'll start off with we'll do this. All right. We'll start off with a Karl Malone, J.R. Reed, John Barry, Danny Ferry, Larry, I'm not going to say it last, I'm going to butcher it. We got a Scottie Pippen here. Oh, man. Robert Pack, Denver Nuggets. Mr. Sam Bowie. This is when he got traded to the Nets. Yeah. Or he got traded to the Lakers from the Nets? I forgot. But yeah, he was a Net for a while. I'm sorry, this is when he got traded from the Nets to the Lakers. We have a Reggie Lewis. Nate McMillan. Sonics. Like I said, Seattle needs a team. Charles Barkley Award. Dominique Wilkins. Human highlight film. Seriously, his dunks were amazing. I like the back of these cards too. Brian Stitch. There's a net right there. Nice. Let's just, sorry guys. Terry Porter. Matt Pollard. Checklist. Let's do this. This is a Sean Elliott. Oh man, I can't even open this. Sorry. Don't you just hate it when it happens like this? Hopefully it's Clyde Drexler's not some crazy nice card. Here's a Clyde the Glide. Career highlights. Sean Elliott. We'll start off with a Reggie Miller right here. I like the back. Kendall Gill. Also once a Net. Joe Dumars. Derek Harper. Donald Royal. Alvin Robertson. Nice PC, Mr. Derek Coleman. Oh, man, I can't even get it. Look at this. That's crazy. Derek Coleman. Mark West. Grant Long. Anthony Mason, rest in peace. And we end it with a Hakeem Olajuwon. I like this one. This card looks cool. All right, that was pack number 1. Let's go to pack number 2. Hopefully they're not as sticky. A little bit better. Mr. Del Curry. Ramuel Robinson, PC, Net. Hakeem. Anthony Bowie. Wingate. Kenny Anderson, PC. Oh, I like Mark Price. So, I mean, Mark Price was seriously a sharpshooter, a great free throw shooter. And I can't even get this. Okay, I'm going to put this here. Let's just go right into it. Here, Hakeem. Ronaldo Blackman. Is there another? No. Clyde the Glide. Charles Barkley. Dwayne Coswell. Harold Miner, who they thought was going to be the next Jordan, but he wasn't. Terry Porter. John Stockton. Look at that. Look at that headset. Avery Johnson. Anthony Avent. Craig Elo. My goodness, this is old Cavs days. Michael Jordan jumping in the air. Jay Humphries. Will Perdue. Buck Johnson. Robert Parrish. Rick Pierce. LaFonso Ellis. Tim Hardaway. Run TMC. D Brown. Michael Cage. Acing Green, the Iron Man, on and off the court. And then I want to get this and show you guys what this is. This is a Wayman Tisdale, but what is this last card? I want to see the front. Yes, there you go. Mark Price. All right. Thanks for watching. It was a very quick video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.